That doesn't mean scream louder. You got a big mouth. Don't. You done? The things my son do. JJ, are you done screaming? Why are you screaming? Why is the baby screaming? You wake up like this every morning. Why are you screaming? You better not be straining. What you screaming for? Put your tongue in your mouth. You alright?